Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this summer inspired quick and easy makeup look. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam makeup palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so to start off, I've already done my foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation and my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder. So moving straight into my eyes, for my crease, I'm going to be taking the color called Dusty Rose. This is like a mauve purple shade in the palette, which is super nice. I'm just going to be putting this all over my crease. Okay, next for my eyelid, I'm going to start off by taking the shade called Tempera. It's basically like a matte white shade. That's going to be kind of like a base slash primer for my next color. And as you can tell, the shade is super pigmented, which is great because it's going to pick up the gold glittery shade that I'm going to use next. Okay, and the gold shade that I'm going to be using is called Bronze. It's a beautiful gold. I'm going to take that actually using my finger because I've noticed that with glittery shadows, they do come off a lot more pigmented when I use my fingers, so I'm just going to do that. And this shade in the palette is definitely super summer inspired to me, just the gold. It's just super pretty, and it definitely does give me that like sunset eye kind of look that I was going for. Okay, next I'm just quickly gonna brush off any eyeshadow fallout using this big powder brush. And moving on to my lower lash line, I'm gonna be taking the same shade called Dusty Rose. I'm just gonna lightly line my lower lash line. I love doing this step because it just ties in everything and definitely balances out your eyeshadow. Moving on to eyeliner, of course, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It is the only eyeliner that I use. And you guys, I was debating whether or not to attempt to draw a wing, but it just wasn't happening today. I want to keep this look more simple, I guess, so, and just more quick and easy for you guys, so I just lined it. And if you don't wear eyeliner, you definitely could skip this step. I feel like the look would still be super pretty with some mascara or even some lashes. So definitely your choice. Okay, next, moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. This is the gel that I use. I'm just going to lightly fill in my eyebrows how I normally do. I like to go for a more natural look. I got really tired of looking at myself with like super light eyebrows. It looks really weird. So we're going to fix that really fast. And I definitely do recommend this eyebrow kit if you're looking for a more inexpensive or drugstore one. This gel is bomb, you guys. Like, my eyebrows, I'll draw them on in the morning and they will not come off unless I scratch it off or basically remove my makeup. But yeah, it's the best. For mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic, which is one of the best drugstore mascaras that I own. Alright, and moving straight into my face, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Bronzer. It's in the color called Soleil. This is the most perfect bronzer for summer, you guys, because it has this like hint of gold in it, and it kind of gives you like a highlight when you're putting it on your cheeks. So I kind of go crazy with it. Okay, now to really highlight, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This highlighter is super pretty, super pigmented, and is definitely perfect for the summertime. I'm going to highlight my nose, my cheekbones, and the inner corners of my eyes. And finally, for my lips, I'm going to be using my KKW Beauty lipstick. These are like the cream lipsticks, which are so amazing. This is the shade called number 3. Alright, you guys, so after I finish that, this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this quick and easy eyeshadow look. Let me know if there are any other requests that you guys have down below. Definitely subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.